Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to convert an M4A file into MP3 file. This is a very quick and easy tutorial, so make sure to watch it from now to the end for the full solution. As you can see right in front of us, we have this file which is M4A. As we went to properties, this is M4A file. So how can we convert it to MP3? First of all, we would like to open our browser and download VLC player if we didn't have already. So VLC player, media player, as you can see, click on it and download VLC. Right after that, just wait a few seconds and the download should be running without any problems. In case the download didn't go off, then simply click on here and the download should be going very quickly. As you can see, it has been downloaded, so I'm going to click on it. And now we are going to start with the installation process. So click on next, and here next, and here next, and then we wait for the folder or the program to be installed on our PC. It will take a few steps, so let's just wait a little bit. Now after it is finished, we simply click on here and click on finish. Now let's go back into our file. So this is the file that we have. To actually convert it, what we're going to do is to open the start menu, search for VLC media player and click to open it. Once we have done that, go here into media and choose the option convert/save. The shortcut is Ctrl R. So let's click on it, and here as you can see I'm going to choose the file. So click on add, and here I'm going to search for the file. It is right here, and then I'm going to click on convert and save. From this area I'm going to choose the convert file, or basically what to convert it to. So I'm going to choose here MP3 and here the destination file. I'm going to keep it in here. I'm just going to name it ADA version 2 and save it. Click on start, and just like so this file will be converted into an MP3. Let's check it out. Here it is, and now after we click on properties, this is the first file and this is the second file, as you can see. And now this file is officially an MP3 file after we have converted it. Now this is how you can do it. It may take longer with longer files. My file is only 2 minutes longer, but this file, for example, it is only 2 minutes. So in case you had like 10 minutes, 1 hour, it might take a longer time. And yeah guys, that was it. See you in the next video.